All right, here we go. This is the week's review and day review for today. Today we had three alerts. We had Hood, NET, NET, and AFRM. AFRM honestly was not an executable alert. Nobody could have got in and out at the same time because it all happened in the same minute. So it was non-executable. As far as NET, it says here minus 97%. It actually did gain about 56%. It went to 0.7 cents. But since it didn't make a new high, we're using the end of day close price in our calculations because I don't have a way to get the high after the alert just yet. But once I fix that, we'll be able to adjust it so you'll be able to see, and it'll show properly that the high for the day was actually 0.7 for the alert after the alert. We got the alert right here, 8:37 or 9:37, 7 minutes after the open. Right when it hit this bottom right there, boom. And then it had a nice little bounce, not as ideal as we normally like to see them, but opportunity was there to make some profit. And obviously the opportunity was there to get out once you saw that it wasn't going to run. So that was NET, and that's what that looked like for today. AFRM, again, was not an executable trade. It just was impossible to trade that within the same minute unless it's automated like the system I'm building. But it was too fast. It pretty much alerted as soon as the market opened. It was not an executable trade, so you can scratch that one. For the week, we're looking at about 14 alerts, 13 winners, 1 loser, with an average entry price of 0.66, average gain percentage of about 155 or 156. Looking at our best one being TEM. For 636%, and obviously over 1,000% if held to the next day when it went to 14. All right, taking a look at our other notable channels here. We had MSTR this week with a win rate of 848. Today we had good returns of 69 and 42%, going from 3.55 to 6 and 4.2 to 6. Basically the same contract, just alerted twice, just met the criteria. And then for the week, we had our best one at 197%, going from 5.1 to 15.15, which were the 410 calls expiring today. And our worst one were the 5.9 expiration 427 50s that went for 4.2 to 6, which was today. So this is our MSTR, and this is how it's performed today. Now, taking a look at Tesla. Now, Tesla was another great and notable channel that had great performance. Overall, looking at 11 for 11 this week. And for today, we had some great performance with the highest one at 202% for the 297 50s. The 300 calls hit 187 and 182 respectively. Basically the same alert, just alerted twice. And then for the week, as you can see, we had 11 winners, 0 losers, average price of 3.9, with an average gain of 103.67%, or max potential gain of 103.67% on average, with the worst alert at 49.4% potential and the best at 202.29%. And that was it for today.